Alright, does it go this way? You see the two notches. Then, does it go for the housing? No top or bottom. But it goes like that. Does it go with the lips? These two things here? Or does it go like this? Where the two openings are at the top. Also, now for this one here. Here's the two openings. Do they go to the bottom here? Which I'm guessing. Or do they sit like this? I'm thinking it goes like this.
If you make the mistake of hitting the accelerator instead of the brake, there's a chance there will be a more serious collision. When you're using both feet, you could also be.
It looks like it fit like that. But as for this one, I'm not sure. All right.